Indian forces personnel in the continued acts of state terrorism have martyred 2,062 Kashmiris, including 337 in fake encounters in custody since extrajudicial killing of the popular Kashmiri youth leader Burhan Muzaffar Wani on 8 July 2016 in occupied Kashmir. According to the data issued by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, these killings have rendered 166 women widowed and 413 children orphaned. Speakers at a seminar urged the international community to move beyond the symbolic statements and take proactive measures to pressure India to end its grave human rights violations in occupied Kashmir and facilitate a lasting resolution of the Kashmir conflict in accordance with the UN resolutions. The seminar was held at the Kashmir House, Islamabad, on the occasion of the 9th martyrdom anniversary of the iconic youth leader Shaheed Burhan Muzaffar Wani, to pay rich tributes to the unparalleled sacrifices of the Kashmiri people in their just struggle for the right to self-determination. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has commemorated the 9th martyrdom anniversary of the popular youth leader Burhan Muzaffar Wani and his associates today, reaffirming their commitment to the Kashmiri struggle for right to self-determination against India's illegal occupation. Burhan Wani, along with 2 associates, was martyred in a staged encounter by the Indian troops in the Kokarnag area of the Islamabad district on 8 July 2016. A major political row is brewing in occupied Kashmir as the Modi-led Indian government, in blatant violation of the Indus Water Treaty, pushes forward with a controversial plan to divert the water from the Indus water system, proposing 113-kilometer canal project aimed at rerouting the water from the rivers governed by the Indus Water Treaty to the Indian states, has drawn fierce opposition from the Kashmiri leaders and raised alarm over its ecological and the political implications. Having failed to find any credible evidence, a special court in the Jammu has granted the National Investigation Agency an additional 10 days remand of the 2 Kashmiri youth arrested on the fabricated charges of harboring attackers allegedly involved in the Pahalgam false flag operation. The court extended the remand of Parvez Ahmed Jauthar and Bashir Ahmed Jauthar after the expiry of their previous 10-day remand. Posters have once again appeared in several areas of occupied Kashmir to pay tribute to the popular Kashmiri youth leader Burhan Muzaffar Wani on his 9th martyrdom anniversary today. The poster displayed by different pro-freedom parties in Srinagar, Bandipora, Ganderbal, Pulwama and other areas have urged the people to remember Burhan Wani and other martyrs and pay tributes to their sacrifices and express solidarity with the martyrs' families. Shuhada Foundation of the Jammu and Kashmir and the Kashmir Liberation Cell observed the 9th martyrdom anniversary of the popular youth leader Burhan Muzaffar Wani and his associates Masoom Ahmed Shah and Sartaj Ahmed Sheikh with a dignified ceremony in Muzaffarabad. The public gathering at the Shaheed Burhan Wani Chowk and a rally at the Old Secretariat were separately held by the Jammu and Kashmir Shuhada Foundation and Kashmir Liberation Cell, with hundreds of the people, including the Hurriyat leaders, the politicians and the Kashmiri migrants, participated.